Hey friends, so today is Wednesday, January 30th. Last night it was -30 outside, plus a wind chill, which makes it more negative, so probably around -56, -60. I just checked the weather outside. It is roughly the same temperature even though the sun is out. Andy is working from home today. And normally our 10-year-old does the chores in the morning. We don't want her to go outside. So Andy and I are bundling up and we're going to take you with us as we do chores this morning. This video will probably actually go up today. But we're going to take you with as we go check on the animals. Probably not going to be recording like in the open after we get done being outside immediately, but I'll take you along as we check on the animals and see how they are doing and as we get ready to go. Andy's already ready. I'm gonna go get my gear. So I do have snow pants and a Columbia jacket that's weatherproof, but when you can put it all on at once, and this is rated better weather-wise than the snow pants, we're gonna roll with that. So it might look like we're about to do something highly illegal, but because it is so cold outside, it is important to have as little skin exposed as possible. I did a grocery shopping trip last night, which is probably a good thing because it appears like most of the state of Minnesota is actually closed today. And yes, I laughed and you couldn't tell. But I had my hands exposed for like 30 seconds and my fingertips were already numb. And there's already sweat running down my back inside. All right, let's go. Hey, for everybody who's been asking, Andy's in the video today. Yay! Ready to go do chores, Andy?
Minnesota.
I look like a duck.
Hey, let's see if we can get the garage door open.
Okay, so...
Oh, that's brisk, baby.
The thermometer says, what is that, -26?
28?
-26, 28, and it's breezy outside, so get the...
There you go!
Woohoo! So it actually... It doesn't look like a bad day outside. It looks like it would be a fine day outside. But it is cold. So since it's so cold, we tend to give the chickens a little bit extra as far as grain. We did pick up some scratch grains.
It's got more corn in it.
So it has more corn.
Gives them a little bit more energy.
Yep. Because right now, surprisingly right now, the coldest part of the year so far, obviously with negative 60 degrees, the chickens are laying 6 eggs a day. When it was 40 degrees, they were laying 1 egg a day.
Keep in mind that's since we put the lamp out there.
And we put the lamp out there too, so that seems to be helping.
Give them a little extra light during the day, so it's not always so dark, because chickens need light to lay eggs.
And so Andy's putting a little bit of oyster shell calcium in there for them too, for their eggshell quality.
Actually, this is called Holtricidal. We get it at Fleet Farm here. And
yeah.
It kind of serves two purposes. It serves as a grit and a calcium supply. So it's kind of better than oyster shell in my opinion. So they break it down a little bit easier and they get that calcium, but it also serves as a grit. So best of both worlds.
Go say it again.
Moment of truth. They're like, oh, this sucks. Hey girls, sucky out here, huh?
So I just wanted to follow up from earlier because my phone died because it was so cold outside. The chickens were doing good. They were cold, but they're out of the wind, and that's the important part. The ducks were in the building. We moved their water closer to the door so they didn't have to go outside. Everybody is doing good today. These two are actually inside with us in the basement. There's Freckles over there. They are inside in our basement today. They were actually the ones who were having the hardest time with the cold, and they're actually enjoying being inside. So they'll go back outside in the morning when it warms up. And actually she's enjoying being inside. The other one is enjoying the warmth, but she isn't out very much so an outside cat. But so that's how everybody's doing today with our negative 60-ish degree weather here in Minnesota. If you enjoyed an update like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, we've got lots of fun stuff coming up. And on Friday, got a fun video coming for you on Friday, so we interrupt our Colorado trip videos. Friday, we're doing a Homestead grocery haul, so keep an eye out for that. All right, we'll see you around, guys. Stay warm.